Hello students. Students, in today's session, we won't be conducting any lecture or any chapter, but we'll be actually discussing about the new reduced biology syllabus by Maharashtra Board. Students, the portion for your biology syllabus, it has been reduced by 30 to 40% by the HSC Board. So today I'll be discussing with you all the chapter wise details, and then we'll be seeing which part of which chapter is considered as non-evaluative. So let us start with the portion that is considered to be non-evaluative for your March 2020-21 exam. So in total you all have 15 chapters in your biology syllabus. So these are the chapters. This is the index. So these are the 15 chapters for your biology syllabus, and out of all these chapters, certain portion, 30 to 40% of the portion is been reduced. So starting with the first chapter, let us come to page number 1, chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Reproduction in Lower and Higher Plants. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be marking certain part of the chapter, certain subtopics of the chapters which are reduced and which are deleted. Okay, so those topics are considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. So in the first chapter, that is reproduction in lower and higher plants, on page number 1, not much of this chapter is being reduced. Only subtopic 1.1, that is asexual reproduction. I am marking it over here, please mark it with me. Subtopic 1.1, that is asexual reproduction, only that part of the chapter is reduced. Else everything other than the asexual reproduction is included. So only asexual reproduction is deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. Now let us come to the next chapter, that is chapter 2, reproduction in lower and higher animals. So please come on page number 18 now. Please go to page number 18 directly. Okay. Now in this chapter again, not much of the portion is being deleted. Here only asexual reproduction in animals, that is subtopic 2.1. Only asexual reproduction in animals, that is subtopic 2.1, on page number 18 itself, only that is reduced and deleted. So that is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. Now after this, let us come to chapter 3, that is inheritance and variation. So take out the page number. I'll let you know the page number. Yes. So it is on page number 49. So please come on page number 49 directly. That is chapter number 3, inheritance and variation. Now nothing from this chapter is being deleted. So whole chapter is considered to be evaluative for your exam. No portion, no part of this chapter is reduced or deleted. Okay. Same goes with the fourth chapter. Please come to the fourth chapter, which is molecular basis of inheritance. So page number 70, chapter 4, molecular basis of inheritance. Again, no topic, no portion from this chapter is being deleted or reduced. So everything from this chapter is considered to be evaluative. That means you have to study the third and the fourth chapter thoroughly, completely. Okay. Now let us come to the fifth chapter, that is origin and evolution of life, which is on page number 94. So students, please directly go to page number 94 now. Okay. Now on page number 94, the fifth chapter, that is Origin and Evolution of Life, here a lot of the topics or the subtopics from this chapter is being deleted. Please mark it with me. So on page number 94 itself, subtopic 5.1, that is Origin of Life, this subtopic is being deleted and reduced, so this is non-evaluative for the exam. Then on the same page, that is page number 94, subtopic 5.2, that is Chemical Evolution of Life, again that is deleted and reduced, so it is again non-evaluative for the exam. After this, go to page number 97. So page number 97, subtopic 5.3, Organic Evolution. Even this is deleted, so it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. And now go to the next page, that is page number 98. Okay, go to page number 98. The subtopic 5.4, that is Darwinism, it is reduced, so it is non-evaluative for the exam again. Now next, on the next page itself, that is page number 99, subtopic 5.5, Mutation Theory, deleted, reduced and non-evaluative for the exam again. Next, go to page number 103. Please take out page number 103 directly. So on page number 103, there is this subtopic 5.7. Okay, the name of the subtopic is Mechanism of Organic Evolution. So even this subtopic is deleted and reduced, so again it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam point of view. So page number 103, subtopic 5.7, that is Mechanism of Organic Evolution, is deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative. Now come to page number 105. On page number 105, there is subtopic 5.8, that is Hardy-Weinberg's principle. Again it is deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. And on the same page, subtopic 5.9, that is Adaptive Radiation, is again deleted and considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. Now after page number 105, come to the next page, that is page number 106. On page number 106, subtopic 5.10, Evidence of Organic Evolution, is again deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. Okay, on page number 109 directly, come to page number 109. Okay, page number 109, there are two subtopics that are deleted, 5.11, that is Speciation, and 5.12, that is Geological Time Scale. These two subtopics are deleted over here, so both the subtopics are considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. So many parts of this topic is being deleted. Okay, rest, I think only two of the parts, that is I'll tell you which parts are to be studied. It is human evolution that you have to study, and the subtopic that is 5.6. 5.6 is modern synthetic theory of evolution. So human evolution and modern synthetic theory of evolution are the two parts that you have to study from chapter number 5. Now we'll move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 6. So students, please take out page number 120. Yes. So chapter number 6, plant water relation. The name of the chapter is plant water relation. Please take out page number 120. So in this chapter, subtopic 6.4, okay, that is absorption of water by root from soil. This part is deleted and reduced, so it is considered to be non-evaluative. Now come to page number 122. Page number 122, subtopic 6.5, that is water potential. So yeah, water potential, this complete part has been reduced and deleted, so it is again non-evaluative for the exam. And on the same page, that is page number 122, subtopic 6.6, that is plasmolysis, is again reduced and deleted, so it is non-evaluative for the exam. Now come to the next page, that is page number 123. On page number 123, there are two subtopics that are deleted, 6.7 and 6.8. So 6.7 is path of water across the root, and 6.8 is mechanism of absorption of water. Both these subtopics are deleted. Next, come to the next page itself, that is 124. Subtopic 6.9, that is translocation of water, is again deleted and it is non-evaluative. Now come to page number 126 directly. Let's come to page number 126. On page number 126, there is this topic, transport of mineral iron, 6.10. 126, subtopic 6.10, transport of mineral iron, is again deleted and reduced. So it is non-evaluative for the exam. Next, on page number 127, subtopic 6.11 on page number 127, that is transport of food, is again deleted and non-evaluative for the exam. And on page number 128, subtopic 6.12, that is transpiration, is deleted and non-evaluative for exam. Now the last one from this chapter, that is page number 129. The subtopic is 6.13 or 6.13, and the name of the subtopic is structure of stomatal apparatus. Okay, this is again non-evaluative and it is deleted. So it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. Now that's it for this chapter, that is the 6th chapter. Now let us move to the next chapter, that is the 7th chapter. The name of the 7th chapter is plant growth and mineral nutrition. Okay, so 7th chapter, that is page number 134, plant growth and mineral nutrition. Now again a lot of portion from this chapter has been deleted. Please mark it with me. So subtopic 7.1, that is plant growth, it is deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative. On the same page, there is subtopic 7.2, that is phases of plant growth or phases of growth. That is also deleted and considered to be non-evaluative. Okay. Next, come to page number 135, that is the next page itself. Page number 135, there is the subtopic which is 7.3, conditions of growth. Conditions of growth, and on the same page, that is page number 135, there is 7.4, that is growth rate and types of growth. So both these subtopics 7.3 and 7.4 is deleted and considered to be non-evaluative. This is on page number 135. Next, come to page number 137. Okay, page number 137, again there are two subtopics here which is deleted and considered to be non-evaluative. 7.5 and 7.6. 7.5 is growth curve and 7.6 is differentiation, dedifferentiation and redifferentiation. Both these topics are deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. After this, come to the next page itself, that is page number 138. Again, the same thing, two topics from this chapter, from this page is being deleted. So two subtopics over here, 7.7 that is development and 7.8 that is plasticity. Both these subtopics are deleted and considered to be non-evaluative. Now after this, come to page number 142. Please go to page number 142 directly. Yeah. On page number 142, there is one subtopic that is 7.10, photoperiodism. This subtopic is deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. And now on page number 143, that is just the next page, subtopic 7.11, 7.11 that is vernalization is deleted and considered to be non-evaluative. Now the next page, 144, subtopic 7.12 that is mineral nutrition is again deleted and considered to be non-evaluative. Now students, please take out page number 148. Please go to page number 148 directly. 148. Yeah. On page number 148, the subtopic 7.13 that is 7.13 nitrogen cycle. The complete subtopic that is nitrogen cycle is being deleted and considered to be non-evaluative. Okay. So this was about chapter 7th. Now let us move to the 8th chapter. The 8th chapter, the name of the chapter is respiration and circulation. Okay. So please take out page number 153, that is respiration and circulation. Now in this chapter, certain parts of this chapter has been deleted. So not much of this chapter is reduced. So let us please mark what are the parts of this chapter that is reduced. So now students, please come to page number 161. Please take out page number 161. Now in this page, you can see there is a subtopic 8.5 that is modified respiratory movement. Now in this subtopic, it is deleted, but there are certain parts also that is deleted in this subtopic. Okay. So 8.5 that is modified respiratory movement, it is considered to be deleted and non-evaluative. And from 8.6 that is common disorder of respiratory system, there are two parts that is deleted. So it is artificial ventilation, which is on page number 162, that is deleted, and ventilator is also deleted. Okay. So 8.5 that is modified respiratory movement is completely deleted, and from 8.6 that is respiratory, common respiratory disorder, two parts, artificial ventilation and ventilators, both these parts are deleted. Now students, please come to page number 174. Please take out page number 174 directly. On page number 174, okay, again you can see a subtopic that is 8.16. Okay, that is blood pressure, BP. Now again in this subtopic, certain parts of this subtopics are deleted. So the first part is angiography, which is on page number which is on page number 175. Angiography on page number 175, it is deleted. And on page number 176, that is heart transplant and silent heart attack. Both these topics are deleted. Heart transplant, silent heart attack, and angiography. These three parts are deleted. Okay, so this was just in this chapter. Only these parts in this chapter is deleted. Rest everything is included. Okay, now let us come to the next chapter, that is the 9th chapter. Please take out the 9th chapter of your syllabus. The page number is 186. Okay, so the chapter is 9th chapter, control and coordination. In this, please take out page number 189. Sorry, please take out page number 189. Okay, on page number 189, again there is this subtopic 9.6, human nervous system. Now in human nervous system also, this subtopic, only certain part of this subtopic is deleted. Okay, please mark it with me. So there is this part, reflex action, which is on page number just a second. Yes, page number 198. Okay, on page number 198, there is this part, reflex action, which is to be deleted. Okay, so reflex action is considered to be non-evaluative. And on the same page, there is chart 9.15. Okay, there is a chart which is called, the name of the chart is types of reflex action. So even that chart is deleted. You don't have to study the chart as well. So reflex action and types of reflex action on page number 198. It is deleted. Now students, please go to page number 200. Take out page number 200. On page number 200, there is this subtopic 9.7, sensory receptors. Deleted and reduced, so it is again non-evaluatory for the exam. So this was about the 9th chapter. Only these two parts of this chapter is being deleted. Rest everything is considered to be evaluative for the exam. Now, talking about the 10th and the 11th chapter. Sorry, the 10th chapter, that is human health and disease. Please take out that chapter. It is on page number, human health and disease, it is on page number 121, 10th chapter, human health and disease. Complete chapter is considered to be evaluative. Nothing from this chapter is deleted or reduced. Okay, so you have to study the complete chapter thoroughly. Okay, so human health and disease, 10th chapter is completely there in your syllabus. Now after this, please go to the 11th chapter. Yes, 11th chapter, that is enhancement of food production, which is on page number 246. So please take out page number 246. Okay, on this page, that is page number 246, subtopic 11.2, that is plant breeding, is reduced and deleted, so it is evaluative for the exam. And now take out page number 249. Please go to page number 249. On page number 249, subtopic 11.3 tissue culture is deleted, so it is non-evaluative for the exam. And now please take out page number 252. 252. Single cell protein, subtopic 11.4 single cell protein SCP. This is again deleted, so it is considered to be non-evaluative for the exam. Okay, so 11.4 single cell protein on page number 252 is deleted and non-evaluative for the exam. Now just on the next page, that is 253, page number 253, 11.6, which is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is again deleted and non-evaluative for the exam. Please cancel that. So the whole part of animal husbandry is deleted. Now the next chapter, that is chapter number 12th and chapter number 13th as well. So chapter number 12th is completely included. So there is nothing in chapter number 12th that is deleted or reduced. You have to study the complete chapter thoroughly again. And same goes with chapter number 13th. Chapter number 13th, that is organism and population. Okay, so please take out that chapter, organism and population, which is on page number 293. 13th chapter, organism and population. Complete chapter is there. Nothing is deleted or reduced. So all the parts of this chapter is evaluative for the exam again. Now coming to the 14th chapter, that is ecosystems and energy flow. Please come to page number 308. Take out page number 308. Okay, on page number 308, that is the 14th chapter, ecosystems and energy flow, the first subtopic, that is 14.1 ecosystem, this complete part is deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative. Now on page number 311, subtopic 14.2 energy flow. 14.2 energy flow is again deleted and it is non-evaluative. And now come to page number 313. On page number 313, subtopic 14.3 ecological pyramid is deleted and non-evaluative. Now come on the next page itself, that is 314, nutrient cycles. So all the nutrient cycles are being deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative again. Now students, please come to page number 318 directly, 318. On 318, there is the subtopic 14.6, that is ecosystem services. So complete subtopic is being deleted. Nothing from this subtopic is considered to be there in the exam, so it is completely non-evaluative. Page number 318, subtopic 14.6 ecosystem services. Complete subtopic is deleted and non-evaluative. Now please come to the last chapter, which is on page number 15th. The 15th chapter, on page number 330. The 15th chapter, the name of the chapter is Biodiversity, Conservation and Environmental Issue. Please come to page number 330. Okay. Now on this page, subtopic 15.7, that is environmental issue. So certain parts of the environmental issue, this subtopic that is 15.7 is being deleted. Please mark it with me. So come on page number 331. On page number 331 there is air pollution. Okay, so the complete part of air pollution is deleted and it is non-evaluative for the exam. Now come to page number 333, that is 333. On 333 there is noise pollution and its controlling measures. So this also is deleted and non-evaluative for the exam. And on page number 334, that is 334, there is water pollution and its control measures. So even this part is deleted and non-evaluative. Now on page number 336, there is one more part of this subtopic, that is thermal pollution. Page number 336, thermal pollution is deleted and it is non-evaluative. It is written in black, thermal pollution on the left side. So it is deleted and non-evaluative for the exam. Now students, just come to the next page, that is 337. Page number 337, subtopic 15.8, greenhouse effect and global warming. Again this part is deleted and it is non-evaluative for the exam. And now come to page number 339. Ozone depletion, that is 15.9. 15.9 subtopic, name of the topic is ozone depletion. This again the complete topic is being deleted. So it is also not considered to be there in the exam. Now the last subtopic, that is on page number 340. Subtopic 15.10, deforestation. This is also deleted and it is considered to be non-evaluative. So students, these were the topics of your syllabus that are deleted and they are considered to be non-evaluative for the exam, which is the March 2020-21 exam. So rest, other than these topics which we just discussed, you have to study. The topics that we have considered to be non-evaluative is not to be studied. So this was it about today's session. From next session onwards, we'll be continuing with the chapter, that is the 8th chapter, respiration and circulation.